Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Hiking in the Countryside. Lovely sunny day. I'll be doing a lot of walking today. I have my water and apples, bananas. Yep, it's really sunny and I'm buzzing as usual. So yeah, I'll be doing a lot of walking at the riverside, hoping to get a lot of photos, a lot of videos. Loads of people out today, as you can see in the foreground. Yeah, lovely day. And guys playing football. Beautiful. I know I'm gonna enjoy it today. People diving in the river. Not always this good, so you have to make use of it when we get it. These little duckies. Even though it's a hot day, well, it's very hot. I must say, I can't remember the last time I feel it this hot. But don't be fooled. The water is cold. That's just the way it is. Yeah. Those guys, they're having fun. Look at this one. That's weird, one leg up in the air. I should be ready in about 45 minutes. That's a nice little boat there. Does it use engine? It's not engine, right? So you should be able to get a good overhead view of the river from up here. Look at it, looking nice. Sometimes in the summer you'll see boats, people having party. Anyway, I'm heading back out in the country to do my cooking now. It may be a bit dark when I'm cooking. But viewers, what do you think? Lovely day. Lot of walking. Drinking a lot of water, needed. Under here, look lovely to cook. Oh no, it's a bit messy. Yeah, it's a bit too messy. People cook here anyway. I can see people normally come and cook under here with too much piece of broken bottles and metals and stuff. So yes, viewers, time for the cooking. Escovitch fish and festival. Wow, I just know it's gonna be good. As you can see here, for the fish, seasoning over there, thyme, all-purpose season, pimento, black pepper. Gonna put a little piece of garlic. Normally this is not the fish that you use for what I'm about to do, but this is what I have at the moment, so I have to make it do. Fry fish and festival. That's what it's going to be. I mean, a lot of times I hear people saying they cooking festival, or you go to even Jamaican restaurants and they sell you fried dumplings saying that it's festival. Now, mine gonna be brilliant. I'm not afraid to say it's no fried dumpling, it's festival. So now the fish is well seasoned, ready to fry. So I'm moving it over to the frying pan. Frying pan should be a bit bigger, but this is what I have. Look at that. Looking lovely. Yep. See, I forget to show while I'm cutting the vegetables. Onion, sweet pepper, carrot. Well, I haven't done the hot peppers yet. But anyway, that is for the Escovitch fish. So now we're gonna get rid of some of the oil, most of the oil, with a couple grains of pimento seeds. Put them first so it could be infused. Oil from the pimento seed. A little bit of vinegar. Also for seasoning. Some people put sugar, but I don't want any sugar in it. Not gonna let it stay too long on the fire. I want it to be crunchy. Don't want it to be soft and saggy. So yeah, that's kind of one left to roll. What do you think? Already started.